Hello my friends, welcome back to another episode. I am in my Volvo right now and I am in my driveway. I'm in sort of a weird in-between road trips type thing right now, so I figured this would just be a quick and easy good video for you guys, especially because a lot of you have been asking and emailing me and commenting about going over my gear. So I thought that would be a perfect thing to do today. I have this entire camera bag full, as well. I don't usually take a tote bag with me. Right here, full. Also, sorry for the camera changing lighting. It's kind of partly cloudy today, so the sun keeps going in and out. But I have two cameras rolling, as you can see. Okay, first things first, I think I'm just going to show what I'm filming on currently. I'm covering up the front of the camera because I will accidentally dox myself if you see this side of the camera that I'm showing you. But I use a, this is my main camera. It's a GoPro Black 9 that my friend gave me. He wasn't using it, and this was right before I went on my trip. And he was like, dude, this like sits in my basement. It's a whole like kit. It has all the chargers and cords and yada yada. I'm not going to use it. So if you want to use it, by all means, take it. So that is what I started my channel with, was the GoPro Black 9. And it is still my favorite to film with, even though I have a newer GoPro. And then this is the camera that I'm filming on right now on my dash, but it's not mine. This is actually my little brother's, and he said that I could use it for this video. Okay, moving on. I'm just going to unzip my camera bag. This tends to sit with me in my front seat wherever I go, so I can just like grab what I need if I have an impromptu drone shot or just any camera shot really. I guess I'll just go top down. So this was the case that my GoPro that my friend gave me came in, and it's kind of messy right now, but I'll just quickly go through it. I have a little charging station, which is a godsend. I even have a remote charger, or not charger, controller, but I've never used it, so I don't really know how to use it. External hard drive, or flash drive? External hard drive, I think. I just have a bunch of stuff in here. A bunch of random stuff. This is what I plug into my laptop to read my SD cards, because the slot on my laptop doesn't work. I also just have a plethora of SD cards and SD card readers in here. I don't need all of those. Flash drive. Random little accessories. So kind of just like random stuff. iPhone reader for an SD card. Like my random little stuff will always sit in here. So next I have my newest GoPro that I just bought. It's a GoPro 12 Black, and I actually do not like it as much as my GoPro 9 Black, which is years older than this one. Okay, I also have two minis. Well, they're minis compared to here. I'll show you the size comparison. They're mini compared to the newer GoPros, but these are just two GoPro 7 Silvers I use as an auxiliary camera a lot of the times. They do shoot 4K, but the quality just like isn't as good. Like they kind of give a fisheye effect, and I'm not a big fan, but I do use these. Okay, next I have the main camera that I use. Well, not main camera, but the main fancy camera, if you will, that I use. It's just a Nikon D3500, and this was actually my ex-boyfriend's. I had it when we broke up, and he hasn't asked for it back, so I mean, that's what I've been using. So at this point, I've gotten this camera for free, even though it's not mine, I'm lending it. And then I got the one that I'm shooting on for free. So the only camera so far in my bag that I've had to pay for up to this point is this guy, and he was like $300 bucks, I think. Got on sale, I think. Maybe it was like $220, I don't know. Got on sale, I just know that. Also, if you're wondering about the lens, this is just like a basic 18 to 55 millimeter lens. It's dirty. I lost the cap, so it's somewhere not here. I'm surprised I haven't scratched it yet. I also have 3 more external hard drives, and all the hard drives up to this point are, or all the ones that I have are 2 terabyte, and I'm on number 4. And these are not backed up, like these are all individuals. So I've used maybe 7 terabytes of storage filming, like since I started, which is kind of crazy actually. So in this pocket, I just have my GoPro 7 mount. Actually, I want to show you something. So the new GoPros have their own mount on the bottom. So for example, I can just like put my attachers through this camera. I don't have to really do anything besides that. But if I want to mount my 7s, I have to stick it in this little guy. And then I can mount. So that's an annoying extra step. It usually just lives in this mount. And then this is my waterproof case that I also have for it when I want to go snorkeling and anything related to the water. In this pocket, I have more mounts. I have this weird circle one. I don't know what it's from. It came with the GoPro and my friend gave it to me. I think you can mount it on a bike or something circular, but I've never used it, I don't think. More mounts, and then I think this is a mic. Yeah, this is a mic kit that I got when I first started and I used it once in my life. Now on to my favorite accessory, my drone. I love this piece so much. My channel is like any videos that I don't have a drone shot I think are like the worst ones ever. I'm like, dang, like I didn't even get to use my drone, like that video sucked. So this is by far my favorite piece. I think it makes or breaks a video in my opinion. Can't use it for this one because I am not really traveling. This is a DJI 4 Pro Mini. Every time I have to use it, I do have to take all this stuff off, so it does get quite annoying. But keeps it in good shape when it's tucked away, you know? I have crashed this one a couple times, so luckily I didn't break it, but the wings are a little bit fragile, so I need to replace those. Do you see the wings? I don't know if it'll focus, but they're all chewed up. There's supposed to be an orange piece right there. This is actually my second drone, the same type of drone, but well actually no, this is my 3rd drone of my life, but this was the 2nd drone on my YouTube journey, and the first one I got stuck in a tree in the North Cascades mountain range in Washington. Luckily I had the DJI Care plan, so I had to pay like 200 something bucks to get a replacement instead of like 800. I actually don't know what this goes for nowadays. Could be less than that, but yeah, this is actually another piece of gear that I didn't really have to buy originally. My grandparents bought it for me, and I was offering, I was like, yo, like, I'll go halvesies, or you can pay some, my parents can pay some, and I can split it, because it's like 800 bucks. And they were like, no, we'll just pay for it, so as your Christmas present, or maybe it was a birthday present, I can't remember. So that was like, that was huge. So thank you both for that. I still am like so thankful that they did that for me. But this is my favorite thing in the world. Yeah. The only downside about that drone is that my controller doesn't have a screen on it, which is fine. I can just plug my phone in and this controller is cheaper. But it does get kind of annoying when you have 1,000 things going on during the day when you're trying to get to camp or do chores and film, and you're in a gorgeous area, so you need to like stop and take all these drone shots. It would come in handy to not have to unplug my phone. That's all I'm saying, and that is a completely spoiled problem. But if I were to get another thing or another drone or anything related to that, I would get the camera or the remote with the screen. Okay, I'm going to zip this up and then show you guys what's in my tote bag. Okay, this is my laptop. It is a ThinkPad. It's a ThinkPad T490. It was like 200 or 300 bucks, and I got it when I started my journey, and I actually would highly recommend this. It's going strong, so I actually have no plans to switch this out unless it breaks. This is the headset that I use to edit. This is also my gaming headset. I got it with my PC when I got my PC a couple years ago. Yeah, I do play a lot of video games. But yeah, this is my editing headset. Here's my mic that I use when I do my voiceovers. We have some tripods in here. This is far from all of them, but these are the main handheld ones that I use. I love this one the most, I think, because I can bend it. I got that in college. Actually, I think I like this one the most because you can clip it onto anything. And you can like move it. So, two really good pieces. I like this one as well. This one extends. I don't use this piece nearly as much as I should. I think I fucked up my whole file just now because I pulled the mic off before I was supposed to. Also, this is the mic that I use for my GoPro. This fits both of my newer GoPros, except the lock broke, or the latch broke, so I attach it, or I keep it shut with a hairband. That's my mic, my ratchet mic. And this was the box for that. I got this like a year ago, I think. For Christmas or something, I bought it for myself. But yeah. It's supposed to have a fuzzy mic on it too, and I lost that. There is a chance that I just corrupted my file because I pulled the mic off of my GoPro before I ended the last clip, so hopefully I didn't ruin the video. What else do we have? Oh yeah, okay. This is the last thing that I wanted to show you guys. It is just miscellaneous attachments. I mostly bought all of these because, see, it's like all of the attachments that you can attach a sticky on the bottom and you can put it on any surface, and then all you have to do is take one of these guys and slide it in, and then you have a mount on any surface. So that's what GoPros are known for, you know. But I got all of these back when I got my GoPro 7 in college because I would take my GoPros on ski trips and I would film those. I lied, there is one more thing I want to show you guys. Unzip it. I don't know what's gonna fall out. Okay, well, not too much. This was just a random pack of gear that I bought on Amazon last year. Or 2 years ago, I don't know. It has a wrist mount. There's also this that you can hold when you are underwater. So it floats and you have a handle. This is just maybe a head mount, I think. You know, I don't really use a lot of this stuff because it's so tedious. I think this is a chest mount. But you guys get the idea. I have a lot of accessories. Alright, I think I went through everything I have. I do have a taller tripod and a smaller tripod, but I don't know where they are right now. Sorry. But that is everything. Gear-wise, so I hope that answered some of your questions and gave you a little bit more insight into how much stuff I have, and you by no means need to have anywhere near the amount of stuff that I have. I just love to get creative with shots, and I love to have the ability to get creative. But yeah, that is everything. Thank you all for watching. It is also my birthday today, and I'm really glad that I get to spend part of my birthday with you guys because I love you all so much, and thank you all for being here. Yeah. Much love. Okay, I will catch you in the next one.